Okay, so I see a series. I'm supposed to find the sum. Now, I don't know if this is an arithmetic or geometric series, so I'm going to take a look what's happening here. To me, it looks like it's decreasing by 5 each time. So yeah, I'm going to say this is an arithmetic series. So when I find the sum of an arithmetic series, I got to use, or the series, an arithmetic series, I use that n over 2 times the first term plus the last term. And we know the first term. We know the first term is negative 10. We also know the last term is negative 65. But what we don't know is n. We don't know how many terms there are. And sure, I could count out negative 5. It's how many times I got to take away negative 5 in order to get to negative 65. But I also know, since this is an arithmetic series, I know I can set up that explicit formula, a sub n equals the first term plus the common difference times n minus 1. And I know the last term. The last term is negative 65. And I know the first term is negative 10. I also know that the common difference is negative 5, but I don't know n. So what I'm going to do is solve that equation for n. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. That gives me negative 55 equals negative 5 times n minus 1. And I could certainly distribute that negative 5 through and solve it that way. But I also can just divide both sides by negative 5. That gives me 11. So n minus 1 equals 11. And so add 1 to both sides. Looks like there's 12 terms. N equals 12. So then I come back up here, write in the 12 over 2 and over 2. So 6 times negative 75 is negative 450. Okay, so it's that easy. Going to ask you something like this, variation of this on the exam. So it's a good question to ask.